If you are desperately trying to melt abdominal fat, this breakfast is the best thing you could eat. It is highly nutritious and healthy because it contains all the minerals and vitamins you need to improve your hair quality and skin complexion. You will also regulate your metabolism and strengthen your system. This great breakfast will help you eliminate the toxic burden from your body and cleanse your intestines. Hi, and welcome back to our channel, where we are happy to provide you with the best health tips. To enjoy our videos constantly, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. It is amazing for those who deal with constipation, lazy bowel, and obesity. You can lose up to 5 pounds within a month, especially that stubborn fat around your belly. You will be amazed with your new skin complexion, and your hair and nails will be stronger than ever. Want that belly flat, right? Ingredients: 5 to 7 fleshy plums, 1 cup kefir or low-fat yogurt, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 2 tablespoons oat flakes, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. Preparation: 1. Get your breakfast ready in the evening so you can enjoy it in the morning. 2. Soak your dried plums in 100 milliliters of boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Put your cocoa, flaxseed, and oats in a separate bowl. 4. Pour in a cup of kefir and stir well. Chop or blend the plums and add them to the mixture. 5. Stir the content well and keep in your fridge until the next morning. Enjoy your healthy and nutritious breakfast. You will notice some excellent results in a short time. You may get an interesting feeling in your stomach on day 1, but do not panic. Your stomach will work perfectly.